And in today's video, I'm demonstrating on the Reno65 Pro by Monport. During the laser alignment process, we're going to be sending a test pulse out of the laser in a near position and a far position. I'll demonstrate this using a yellow Post-it and a black magic marker. The near position is always going to be closest to the laser source. I've got mirror number 1 back in this corner, mirror number 2 underneath the panel, and mirror number 3 in this location. When we start out in the near position, we'll send a test pulse out, and that will put a mark on our target, let's say something like that. We'll then move the laser head to the far position, and we'll fire another test pulse, and oftentimes if we're doing a mirror alignment, it's going to be in the wrong position. They should be lined up on top of one another. This is the basis of all the testing we'll be doing on the mirror alignment. We'll test near. I'll put a little mark next to it so I know that's the one that I tested first. We'll send a test pulse on the far. It is really just that easy. For easier access to the mirrors, I'm going to remove this top panel. I moved the camera position so that we can now talk about better or worse. We have our test target where we have the near position and the far position, and we're going to adjust the far position to the near position. For that, of course, we have to go to the mirror and adjust one of the screws on here. We're going to only adjust one screw at a time, and it's going to be a tiny amount.